Welcome back to NextLux Reviews. Okay, tell me honestly, have you ever imagined a world where Ferrari, the king of speed and performance, decides to make a motorhome? Well, buckle up, because what you're about to see today will completely redefine what luxury travel means. This is the Ferrari Motorhome 2027, an all-electric, solar-powered beast that looks like it's come straight from the future. And trust me, once you see how this thing moves, how it's built, and how insanely luxurious it feels inside, you'll never look at RVs the same way again. Alright, let's get into it. The very first moment you see the Ferrari Motorhome 2027, it hits you. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement on wheels. The exterior design screams Ferrari DNA. That iconic aerodynamic flow, sculpted curves, and aggressive stance. It looks like a hypercar that's grown up into a luxury house. The front end is pure Ferrari attitude. Sharp LED strips that slice through the air, a sleek panoramic windshield that wraps around the cockpit, and that signature Ferrari badge, shining in the middle, reminding you of the brand's racing heritage. But then you realize something even crazier. It's sitting on 6 massive wheels, each one wrapped in high-performance aerodynamic rims. These aren't your usual motorhome tires. They're carbon composite performance wheels designed to handle speed, grip, and torque distribution from its electric motors. And yeah, it's got more than one. 4 electric motors, one on each main wheel, delivering instant torque with ridiculous smoothness. From the side, the body looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Clean lines, hidden door handles, and sleek panels that reflect light like polished metal. The paint finish. Oh man, it's Ferrari-level deep gloss with a hint of pearl. The subtle red accents along the edges give it that Italian performance vibe. Even the side mirrors are replaced with digital cameras for aerodynamics. Everything feels futuristic, from the lighting to the integrated solar panels on the roof that charge the battery while you're on the move. And yes, this thing can actually run on solar power. It's not just for show. The roof is layered with Ferrari's advanced solar skin, capable of generating enough energy to run the onboard systems, charge part of the main battery, and even power the kitchen appliances when parked. Combine that with its high-capacity lithium-silicon battery pack, and you're looking at around 600 miles of total range, 500 from electric charge, plus an extra 100 from solar assist on a sunny day. That's not just impressive, it's revolutionary. Now, move to the back and it just gets more dramatic. The rear end has a full-width LED light bar with Ferrari's signature triple glow, a sculpted diffuser at the bottom, and an active spoiler on top that actually adjusts to wind flow at highway speeds. It's crazy how much engineering went into this. It's like Ferrari wanted to make sure even your road trips have race-level aerodynamics. Now, step inside. And this is where it gets wild. The moment those automatic doors slide open, you're welcomed into what feels more like a private jet lounge than a motorhome. The lighting shifts subtly as you enter. Warm, ambient tones that adapt to your mood. The floors are polished wood mixed with carbon fiber accents. The walls curve smoothly, lined with soft-touch Alcantara and Italian leather. Ferrari didn't just design this as a travel space. They designed it as an experience. The living area is breathtaking. 2 adjustable recliner seats face a massive panoramic window, giving you a view that stretches across the landscape as you travel. There's a hidden 65-inch OLED display that rises from the wall with a simple voice command. Surround sound system tuned by Ferrari Audio Lab fills the cabin with pure clarity. Next to it is the kitchen, and yes, it's a full kitchen, not a mini corner. It's equipped with induction burners, a smart fridge, a built-in espresso maker, and a retractable dining table made of brushed aluminum. All the cabinets are soft close with touch sensors. You can cook, dine, and relax, all while your motorhome silently glides down the highway. Then you've got the washroom area, and again, Ferrari went all out. Compact but ultra-premium. Full, rainfall shower, touchless fixtures, and marble-textured panels that light up softly. It feels like something straight out of a high-end hotel, not an RV. And when it's time to rest, the bedroom will absolutely blow your mind. There's a full-size bed wrapped in Italian leather, ambient lighting built into the frame, and a panoramic skylight right above you. Imagine lying there at night, watching the stars through a glass ceiling with zero engine noise because it's fully electric. You can even change the lighting color and temperature with your voice. It's all part of the Ferrari Smart Cabin system, AI-powered, voice-activated, and always learning your preferences. Now, let's talk performance. Because even though this is a motorhome, it's still a Ferrari at heart. Underneath that luxury shell is a dual-architecture electric powertrain pushing around 100 horsepower combined. Yeah, 100. It might sound ridiculous for a motorhome, but it moves like a super SUV. 0 to 60, under 5 seconds. Top speed, limited to 155 mph for safety, but it's capable of more. And thanks to Ferrari's magnetic suspension system, it glides on rough roads like butter. You don't feel the bumps. You just float. Handling-wise, it's surprisingly agile. Rear-wheel steering, adaptive damping, and torque vectoring all work together to make turns feel natural and effortless. Ferrari wanted it to drive like a grand tourer, and it does. The braking system uses regenerative tech that not only recovers energy but also gives you that confident Ferrari-style control. Now, I know what you're thinking. All this luxury, all this tech, what's it gonna cost? Well, it's still a concept, but estimates put it somewhere between $2.5 and $3 million if it ever hits production. Yeah, that's supercar money. But remember, this is Ferrari redefining what luxury travel means. It's a fusion of home comfort, futuristic tech, and racing DNA. And honestly, it's not just about specs or price, it's about the feeling it gives you. When you're sitting behind that wheel, everything feels smooth, powerful, and unbelievably quiet. It's that Ferrari experience, the rush of precision and design. But this time, it's built for freedom, not just the racetrack. The Ferrari Motorhome 2027 isn't for everyone. It's for those who want to move through the world in pure style. For those who don't just travel, but make an entrance. It's the kind of machine that turns heads wherever it goes, and it tells a story of evolution, innovation, and passion. Now, if this concept actually goes into production, it could completely change the luxury motorhome industry. Imagine seeing one of these glide through the highways of California, or parked near the cliffs in Scotland, or cruising across the roads of Canada surrounded by forests. It's the future of high-end travel, and Ferrari is writing that future with elegance and power. So, what do you guys think? Would you take the Ferrari Motorhome 2027 for a road trip if it were real? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you'd customize your dream version of this futuristic beast. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of next-generation luxury motorhomes, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to NextLux Reviews, and turn on notifications, because we're just getting started. There are some insane concept vehicles coming your way, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's next. Until then, keep dreaming big, travel smart, and as always, stay curious, stay inspired. This is NextLux Reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one.